Lakeland Downtown Chapter President. I hope everyone's having a great start to the week. I want to update you on a few things that we have coming up. This Wednesday, October 21st from 11:30 to 1 p.m. we'll be having our general meeting at 1916 inside the Cleveland Heights Golf Course, where Robert Bohr will be speaking to us about streamlining our lives for the most possible success. Also, we have 8 tickets left for the Athena Awards. Our very own Mary Stevenson has been nominated for the Leadership Award. The tickets are valued at $100 a piece, and the chapter is willing to split that cost with you. So if you are interested in attending, please reach out to myself as soon as possible, as there are limited tickets available. And lastly, we have a new event for our chapter. It is the Art Night Out. We have created t-shirts, empowerment t-shirts, that we'll be decorating that night, November 17th, again at the Cleveland Heights Golf Course. The cost is $40 and it includes food and supplies. I hope to see you guys there. Have a great week and go ABWA.